Back with Bobby and JJ Radio. We're speaking with Roger Ray of Ray CPA and also Vanessa Zink from Ray CPA. And we're going to talk a little bit about the rest of your team there with Ray CPA. So I know there's a girl named Becky, and I know she's very essential, crucial to the business. Roger, kind of just walk us through her role there with your company.
Yeah, unfortunately, our dear Becky Lynn was not able to make it today. That's our sort of Southern joke name for her. Anyway, she wasn't able to make it. So she's had about 25 years of accounting experience, very, very experienced business
I'd ask her to
accountant.
prove it, but she's not here.
Yeah, she's not here, I know, unfortunately. But she sort of does everything except tax. So she and Vanessa work very, very closely together. So what she does really, accounting systems, help a client set up and define chart of accounts when setting up books, doing the bookkeeping, payroll, cash management, cash flow, financial statements, and then the successful handoff to our lovely Vanessa Zink.
Sure. So she really looks at everything that's coming in and out.
Right.
For a business. So,
right.
Like for us, it's commissions coming in, and then we pay our staff, and then we pay our taxes, and then we pay that's Guerrero a lot of money. I'm just kidding. And then we pay our marketing. And so
More cheaper.
Yeah, well, maybe. I'm pretty sure that's right. Actually.
Yeah.
I'll
bet on that.
For sure.
Ed's not going to like us.
I'm pretty sure that's right. But she's kind of really keeping the track of what's coming in and out. I feel that this is one thing that business owners don't do for a long time. Yeah. I think that they just kind of like, we call it fail forward. They just kind of, they're making money and, they're surviving and, so they feel that they're thriving. But they're not looking at the stuff coming in and out. I was sitting down with Bobby the other day looking at P&Ls, and he was like, we spend that much on postage? I'm like, yeah, what did you think? And he doesn't know how much we pay the girls.
Yeah, we need to go down to one car.
Yeah, you want to start carpooling now? That might help us out, actually. But so Becky really walks the owner through all that kind of stuff.
Right. So what she typically does, again, going back to our typical first time with the client story, understand the business.
Sure.
But she needs to really break the business down to its components. And so again, first thing, communication with the client. Second is taking this understanding of the business and developing the appropriate accounting system, which starts with what we call in accounting terms the chart of accounts. So a chart of accounts, the easy piece is your bank accounts, your credit cards. I know you two have lots and lots of those.
No.
And then, the big income, you break your income into various types of income. You break all your expenses into the various types of income. And so you've got cost of goods that you're selling directly to the client. So if you're making a product, a piece of materials that you're buying to make the product are cost of goods sold. If you're selling labor in an accounting firm like ours, the labor is a cost of goods sold that we're billing onto our clients. And then there's all the overhead expenses like office rent, utilities, admin, advertising, search engine optimization, websites, radio shows.
Radio shows, yeah, for sure. Yeah, and so, but it's really good to look at the what's coming in and out, so you can kind of figure out what's working and what's not working, and then you can kind of adjust accordingly, right?
Right.
And then then Becky, I guess, then at the end passes it off to you, right, Vanessa?
Yeah. Right. So what she does is she takes and generates financial statements.
Sure.
And once the financial statements are done for the full year, and then passes off to Vanessa. And so Vanessa will take it from here.
And so when you say money management, what does that entail, as far as for a business?
Well, money management, we generally talk about cash management. So really making sure you have a good understanding of cash in, cash out. Are you positive cash flow? Do you end up the year with more cash than you started with? That's a good, healthy business. You want to be in a positive cash flow situation.
For sure. And why do you feel that all this is so important for businesses? You feel that, why is it so essential, you feel, for any type of business at this?
Well, again, I'm going to insist on this handoff to Vanessa because it's so important. Financial statements are the critical first piece of tax preparation.
Sure.
And you can't help somebody plan taxes, or you can't prepare their tax returns without good financial statements. And so, Vanessa?
So do you really incur that where some people come in and they don't know where their stuff is at, and it's all over the place?
That's true.
Sounds like us.
No, not under my reign. Not under my reign.
Yeah, the profit and loss statements and balance sheets are really important because it tells them, like Roger had mentioned, good cash flow. Your net income, where your money's going, where you're spending most of your money. It's really important because if they want to increase their business, or if they want to put more money in advertising, and they can't, then they need to understand where they've been using their money.
Where they can cut.
Exactly.
What's
what
working, what they can put more money into. Right.
Correct.
That kind of stuff.
And then everything flows into the owner's personal return.
Sure.
So it's good balance sheet and good profit and loss statements.
Will help
really
you
important.
with the whole
with the growing
accounting
of your
process
business
as far as the tax side.
Yeah.
You still get the people that come in with a bag full of receipts, right?
Oh yes,
My
all the
favorite.
time. You'll get extended if you come in on the 14th.
Wait, you can't knock it out in one day?
I'm good, but not
that
that good.
Not that good. I got you. So, if you want to contact Vanessa, and if you have a bag of receipts, you probably do. You want to call. You probably email her vzink at raycpallc.com, or you can call her directly at 210-878-7061. Again, that's 878-7061. We'll be right back. Bobby and JJ Radio.